In this demonstration, they seem to have a lot of trouble with the crop not feeding properly into the mechanism. And certainly to feed it through by hand like this would not have been the situation in the past. I've seen combines going around in true proper action a long time ago, and yes, they might have had troubles every so often, but nothing like the troubles that this machine is having. Go to 1900s.org.uk to see stories about what life was really like for ordinary working families in the early 1900s.